Well, hello guys, my name is Nick and today we're doing another build-off against Rob from Matchbox Garage. We are both doing drag/race cars and we have decided on no rules. We can do whatever we want. So for my car I decided to go with a 1955 Chevy Bel from Hot Wheels that came out in 1990. As you can see, the paint is missing, the stickers are messed up, but the base is in pretty good shape. And my plan is I'm going to build a gasser. Well, this is the first time I'm doing this much of a custom, so please don't hate me when I fail. It's still a learning process for me and I love learning new things. So when I drill out the base, when I drill out the rivets, the base just releases and I just knock over my camera like the professional I am. So to do a gasser, we're going to remove the front bumper and we're going to cut out the radiuses from the front wheel arches just to create the place where the exhaust should go to. So we tape it off, use my Dremel. I'm actually at work at this point, and this is the result. Subtle but noticeable. That's not the right way of saying that. Oh well. So let's take the base real quickly and see that we remove the front bumper and cut off the grille, which we're going to reattach later. So next step is removing the old 1990, then that means I'm old. Removing the old slash, just remove the paint. This usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour in a closed container, and this time it worked. So let's take my toothbrush and start speeding this up because nobody wants to see me take off paint for an hour. After I use my toothbrush, I use my mom's pajama pants to take off the remaining paint stripper and loose paint. And I finish off with a piece of Scotch-Brite to take off the remaining paint and corrosion on the body. Now I'm not going to show everything because this took about an hour, but let's skip right here. So for primer, I'm using a fine surface primer by Tamiya. 2 coats in total, leaving between 30 to 45 minutes to dry between coats. Now for color. What other color to use than solid gold? Yes, I want a gold 55 Chevy. In total 3 coats, that was the first one, this is the second one. In total 3 coats, leaving again 30 to 45 minutes to dry between coats. And I really love how this gold turned out. Next, the base. We have to sink in the rear axle, otherwise the wheel would hit the body. And we have to lower the front axle to make it a gasser. So what I did, I took my drill and I just drilled out the little metal part on the bottom of the chassis to, well, lower the axle, I guess. And there, it worked. So now for the rear wheel, as I said, it hits the body, so I have to lower it. I'm using this saw. Yes, my tool arsenal is amazing to lower the axle. Next I need to put the axle through the front, and obviously I have to take off a wheel. These are the new axles and wheels, by the way. So I just take my Dremel and remove the front bit of it. Then I just stick the axle through the model and just crimp the other side between my vise to create a new axle. Lovely. If I can get the wheels on. Yeah, there you go, good boy. So next, my favorite step of every restoration / customization, the details. This model didn't really have much, so I painted the headlights. And for some reason I painted the rear number plate holder. Then next I take my red paint and paint in the rear lights. And last but not least, take my black paint and add in some details to the chassis. The parts you're actually going to see, I just want to have black so they don't, well, stand out as much. So then I take that cheap home chrome depot thingy spray and spray the engine because it needs a chrome engine. Next, let's glue the grille back into place. A little error of me, my thingy was in the way, my vice grip, so throw it away and just place the grille in its proper position. Just like that. Next, the rest of the reassembly. So we take the front windshield and throw away the glue because we don't need it anymore. Stick the engine through, stick the glass back in. And to finish off, we just place the base back on the model. So we have a finished model. Let's take a look at it. Before, it was a regular drag slash race car. And let's take a look at the GASSER. I really enjoyed this result. It isn't perfect, but I never claimed to be a professional. Please go in the description down below and check out Matchbox Garage's side of this build-off. Also don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hope to see you in a future video. Bye.